Okay, people, we are live. We are live. And if you are new to my channel, if you're watching the replay, then most likely you don't know what this channel is about. This channel is pretty much about showing people how to make money reading the charts. I have been trading and pretty much investing for 10 years now plus, and what I do is I specialize in reading the charts, and that's how I make my money. I do this full time. I day trade Monday through Friday, doing the futures, and I invest in the crypto market. So I do it short term and long term. And recently, basically, we have been in the bear market, and I have been telling my subscribers that it's just a bear market right now. So believe it or not, you can actually still make money in the bear market. So if you are new to my channel, if you are interested in just looking at things a different way, then this is definitely a channel that you want to follow. And during the live stream, of course, I'm not giving you guys financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get this party started. Today we're going to look at the charts, and I will tell you what I think. Let's see who's in the chat room so far. What's going on, Danny? What's going on, Di? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, man? So I'm gonna let people come in. Hey, what's going on, Ace? Ace said, "I will buy your course." No, oh, thanks a lot, Ace. We will get to that later on, Ace. So just give me like 10-15 minutes. We'll let the discount go through for the live. Tino, what's going on? How you doing? What's going on, Mox? What's going on? All right. So so right now, what we're looking at is a little bounce. A little bounce in the market. And like I said before, if you are new to my channel, in March, it pretty much confirmed. So when we was going down, even though we was making lower lows, the market was below the moving average. I wasn't too sure yet, because I mean we was coming off a crazy bull run, right? So I didn't want to jump the gun and say that we was in a bear market, because it was just every single day, month, the market was just going up. So I didn't want to jump the gun, So in March we confirmed it, because I had this trend line, and once I saw the market react to this trend line and sell off like this, I said, yes, guys, we are in the bearish market. So and we are still in the bearish market. And believe it or not, a bearish market is healthy. You shouldn't be scared of a bearish market. A lot of people just think one way. I think the bear market is very healthy, because number one, it gets rid of the bad coins, and number two, once this thing is all over with, a lot of prices, a lot of coins are going to be on sale. So you can get a lot of coins for cheap. So when you look at this market, just don't say, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe what's going on." What's going on, Hall? What's going on, Hall? What's going on, Ryan? You said I will buy with Tron profit I made today. Oh, so you're gonna buy with the Tron profit you made today? Nice, nice. Venta, what's going on? MK, what's going on? AKA Morpheus. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Okay. Yeah. So, so guys, right now, if you look at Bitcoin chart, a lot of people that buy and hold are very happy. And let's get this clear. I buy and hold too. And also, I'm not a full-time bear, so let's get this clear. I love crypto. I don't hate crypto, but I also deal with reality. So right now, a lot of people are smiling right now because they think this is the bottom. And you have to understand, in bear markets, we have pullbacks. The same way we have pullbacks in a bull market, we have pullbacks in a bear market. So this is why a lot of people get trapped. So in a bear market, when the market is going up, we have these deep pullbacks right here, and the market continue to go up, and then we have these deep pullbacks, market continue to go up. We have these pullbacks, market continue to go up, pullbacks. So you have to understand, in the bear market, we're gonna have pullbacks. So right now, a lot of people is calling this a triple bottom, whatever they want to call it. It's nice, you know. But me personally, it's hard to call this a bull. The bulls is in. It's hard to say the bulls is in, and we are at 6,700. The buying alone to me is not special. If you go on coin market cap, we still at 4 billion, which is not impressive. I mean, if you go back to January, then you know that the market was crazy. So actually today was 3 billion. So we have, look at this, guys, 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion in a row, 3 times in a row. So for the people that are happy for this buying right here, you just got to be cautious. You know, be cautious because the volume is still low. So it tells me when the volume is this low, it tells me that I don't think that's like real buying. I just think the market is just pulling back like it normally, you know, does. So you just have to understand that that's how the market works. The market never goes down in a straight line. Never go down in a straight line. So let's see what's going on in the chat room. So Troy said the market would be down by Wednesday. Hit resistance and fall. Yeah, I you know, that's a strong possibility. Definitely a strong possibility. Let's see what's going on. What else is going on? Have not bottomed out yet, and I agree with that, Moex. In my opinion, I believe that we didn't see a bottom yet. Frozen Bong is Big Ben. What's going on, Frozen? Frozen, are you new? I never saw you in the chat room before. Businessman, are you new too? I never saw Frozen or Businessman. In MK, the chart looks exactly like levels on a chart video. Exactly. So Steve said heavy resistance at 7,000 or 71,000. So I agree with you. 7,100. I mean, because when you have to understand this trend line right here is going to be support. I mean resistance, and this swing right here is going to be resistance too. So when the market comes up, if it comes up to this level right here, this is like around 71, just like Troy said. And it's going to be a lot of resistance. That's if it can make it up there. They don't have to go up there. You know, but they, like I said, they might drag this out, of course, because that's the Bears. The Bears love to trick you and play with your emotions. The same way they play with your emotions right here when you had the SEC meeting. They play with your emotions right here, right? And we went down. Most people thought we was going to continue right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Most people thought we was going to continue when the market went up right here and went down, playing with your emotions again. Right here, people thought this was a double bottom. It went down a little bit, then we spiked back up, but we barely hit 10. We didn't even hit 10,000, and we went right back down. So the market is always playing with your emotions. That's why you can't get happy when you see buys, especially in the bear market. So the market, to me, is really buyers is not really coming in right now. If you look at the volume, it's so low, man. 3 billion. So let's check the volume in January. So in January, we had 10 billion, 16 billion, 21 billion, 23 billion, 18, 15. Now we got 3. That tells me that nobody's really in the market right now. No big dogs is in the market. Like I said before, the numbers don't lie. So there's no really big dogs in the market. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see what's going on in the chat. What's going on? So Businessman said, will it test 6K again? I believe so, Businessman. I believe it will test. So Businessman, oh, so you are, okay, so you are new. Thanks a lot for coming in the chat room, Businessman. Businessman, let me ask you a question. Do you know how, or do you know that there's multiple ways to make money in the market, not just buy and hold? Because that's what I teach my subscribers, not to fall in love with the buy and hold strategy. Learn how to read the charts, because you can actually make money while the market is going down, and you can make money while the market is going up in the bull market. Okay, that's good. I'm glad that you know. I'm glad that you have an open mind, Businessman. Okay, so Frozen said, I've been here once or twice. Glad to see you back, Frozen man. I mean Frozen. So okay, so Dom, you getting new subscribers, Ben. That's really good. Yeah, I'm trying to get some more subscribers, man. I'm trying to build this up. Hopefully I get 10K. So let me see. So Gigi said, some of us don't comment, but we here. Love the channel. Thanks a lot, Gigi. Yeah, I noticed that some people just don't comment, but it's okay. I'm cool with that. As long as you know, watch the stream, I'm cool with that. So O1 said, I'm listening and enjoying also. Thanks a lot, O1. I appreciate it. So MK said, mad YouTubers were saying it's the start of a bull run. Had to drop some jewels in the comment section. you gotta hit a out here, bro. Thanks, man. So Realms, how you doing? Realms, are you new to my channel? All right, so let's go back to the chart. So like I said, guys, if you're just joining me, I said that the market doesn't just go down in a straight line. We have pullbacks. It's just what it is. That's how the market works. Just like in the bull market, if you look at the bull market, when it was going up, we have pullbacks all day. You see these pullbacks right here? All day. That's what the market does. It never goes up in a straight line. So you have to understand that when we're in the bear market, you know, we have these pullbacks. So what the market is doing right now is pulling back. And in my opinion, I believe it will continue to go down, in my opinion. Because if you know, when I talked about the 5 reasons why I think the market will go down, number 2 is still with me. I believe we have a lot of bad altcoins in the market, and I believe they have to die. And in order to get these guys out of here, the market has to continue to go down. Because let's say, right, just for fun, let's say the market break this trend line and continue to go up, and we hit 20,000 by the end of this year, and we continue to go up. Well, all these scammy coins will continue to survive. And to me, the way it looks, the government doesn't want that. They want all these guys out of here. Because if you want the big dogs, the big investors to come in, the market has to be legit. And if we start another bull run, the market is not going to be legit because these other coins will survive. So in order to get these guys out of here, the market has to continue to go down. Squeeze these guys out. We have to squeeze these guys out. And that's what the government is trying to do right now. Squeeze a lot of these guys out. So in case, the big dogs want to come in, it's safe. So let's see what's going on in the market. I mean, in the chat room. So MoX want to look at XRP. Okay, no problem. Let me see Wolf. I looked at the chart last scale day. It looks like 80% correction going down, but more one day. RSS look like low, ready to go up. Well, Wolf, I don't consider that any good because I'm just basing everything since January in the beginning of this year. In order to have a bull market, it's hard to call this a bull market when we are 6 months in a year, and we never, ever since we went down, since February, we never even went up to at least 7,000. Matter of fact, we never even went to 12,000. So since February, when we had this big dip down, we never hit 12K. So that tells me that the market is real weak, and it really doesn't want to go up this year. A bull market usually don't stall out like this. So we 6 months in, we're about to hit July, maybe how many weeks? Probably 2 more weeks. So that means that we're going to be 7 months in, and we still not bullish. So overall, we are still in the bear market. So let's go into the chat. I'm gonna look at XRP. So just give me a second, MoX. Rims said just a lurker, mate. So Rims, are you new to my channel? Okay, so Ashwin. So Ashwin says lots of money making opportunities, CL and ES today. So Ashwin, did you trade the CL or the ES? So Gigi said, I would like to learn short strategies, but I'm waiting to make a little from XRP first. What do you think about XRP? Gigi, Gigi, to be honest with you, Gigi, if you're waiting for XRP, you might be waiting for a long time. So let's look at XRP first, right? You might be waiting for a long time, Gigi, because you have to understand we are in a bear market. So since we are in a bear market and everything is following Bitcoin, I don't know when the next good run, in XRP. So let's zoom in a little bit. And look at this candle right here. This candle is not that bullish. So I don't know. We'll see. To me, this looks weak. It just doesn't look good. Look at these candles. You see how the market was going up? We had this nice big candle right here, follow by this nice another big solid candle. You see how the market's going up? Now look at these candles. Small, weak. It's just, I don't know, man. It's just not it right now. So XRP doesn't look good because right now it's following Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't look good. Someone said EOS. Let's look at EOS. EOS had a nice little run. EOS actually has a bullish chart. So, but it did pull back. EOS did pull back. It's below the moving average right now. So we'll see. And if we had this trend line right here, let's draw this trend line. EOS broke the trend line, and now we are below the moving average and the trend line. So EOS for the most part is bullish, but we had resistance at this high right here, because as soon as we hit this high, it pulled back a lot, and plus it broke this trend line. We are below the moving average. So right now it's looking weak, but we'll see. Okay, so the Dom said the rich went to school together. They control the media, suck our blood. Exactly, Dom. The rich are working together. That's why one of my 5 reasons. Number 4 is the rich are working together. And what that simply means is they basically, come together. They feed you lies. They, give you hope. They love selling you the dream. They love selling you. They love to give you or say things that you want to hear. And that's why I really don't listen to the news that much. Really don't pay attention to the news like that, because these guys are working together. So let's continue with the chat. So Moex says, how can market kill bad altcoins? Look at BitConnect, still buying that garbage. I'm going to explain Moex, but let me get to some of these comments. Matter of fact, I have a lot of comments. So before I even get to these comments, who asked me in the beginning? Ace, are you still here, Ace? Ace, let me know if you're still here, because I have a lot of comments going on. What's going on? What's today? Monday? Monday is popping, I guess. I got a lot of things going on the chat. So Rod said, just bought your program, looking to get into it tonight. Thanks a lot, Rod. Thanks for the support. Rod, when do you buy the program? Ace, are you in the chat room, Ace? Okay, I'm going through these comments real quick. Neil said, hey Ben, just finished the course last night. Thank you so much. That info is priceless. Made over 100K. He said made over 1K in the demo, 30 minutes using your engulf 1, 2, 3. Thanks a lot, Neil. Thanks a lot. So Ace, are you still here? So Ace asked me about the course. So guys, if you, like you said, if you are new to my channel, I usually give 50% off with my course. So let's get that out of the way, because Ace asked me in the beginning about this. I was trying to see if Ace is still in the chat room, but I give a 50% discount only for the people that's on live. So you guys are lucky, because trust me, I get a lot of emails. People they are upset that they can't get the discount, because as soon as the live is over, it goes right back to 210. So you definitely want to take advantage of this. The only reason why you want to get this is because it's the only product on the market, with the crypto market, that's showing you how to make money when the market goes up or down. So even though right now I'm a bear, meaning that I know that the market is bearish, doesn't mean that this course is about just shorting. Like, this course will show you how to make money in the bull market too. So it's the best of both worlds. But if you want to learn how to make money now, then definitely check this out. I actually made 15,000 last week when the market went down using the same patterns in this course. And like Neil said, Neil just got the course. He said, hey, Ben, just finished your course last night. Thank you so much. Info is priceless. Made over 1K on a demo in 30 minutes using your Engulf 1, 2, 3 chart readings. Made simple. Get it, guys. That's Neil. That's a guy that just bought my course. So I'm glad to see a lot of people, are benefit from, from the course. They benefit from the course. So if you want to take advantage of this, let me copy and paste this link to the chat room. And for the guys that have a 9 to 5, you can still do it, because a lot of people say, oh, I don't have time to day trade. No, this is about swing trading, holding your trades for 2 days, 3 days, a week or two. So I just copy and paste the link to the chat room. So if you have a 9 to 5, you can still do it. And if you are in the United States, you can still short. So it's up to you if you want to get it. Just take advantage, because trust me, a lot of people get mad that they can't be on these live streams, because a lot of people can't make these live streams. So let's get back to the to the charts. And I have a lot of questions today, so let me go back to the questions. What's going on, Mr. Sandy? Okay, so let's get back to the questions now. Okay, so MoX asked me, we use that. MoX said, man, where's that question at? I believe he said how. Okay, how can the market kill bad altcoins? Look at BitConnect, people still buying that garbage. Well, BitConnect, I don't think people are still buying BitConnect. I think BitConnect is pretty much done. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna basically tell you how. The reason why BitConnect went down the drain is because it's a Ponzi scheme. So BitConnect is pretty much zero. So nobody's really. I don't think nobody's stupid enough to buy that thing. So the reason why BitConnect went down is because it's a Ponzi scheme. So Ponzi schemes can go down no matter what. But some of these altcoins are not Ponzi schemes, but they have a business that's useless, right? They just are very good with, I guess, getting investors to invest in a dream. So that's why you have, if you notice, you have a lot of YouTubers on YouTube. They promote ICOs. So a lot of these guys, they email a lot of YouTubers and say, please, man, I will give you a certain amount so you can promote my ICO, whatever. So, and plus, I trust me, I get emails, all the time. So I know what's going on. So these guys, they have YouTubers help them out to promote these ICOs, get investors to invest in these ICOs, and 99% of these ICOs are garbage. So and they don't really have nothing going on. Like it's just garbage. Like they really are not trying to do anything in the world. They just want to have something where investors can invest in the ICO so they can make money. So MoX said, how can the market kill these guys? So let's go to Yahoo real quick. Finance. Let's go to actually NASDAQ, because this is very important, and honestly, I don't think I hear no YouTuber talking about this. This is very important. That's why it's on my top list. So these are my 5 reasons why I believe the market will continue to go back down, or continue to go lower. And I noticed that a lot of really no YouTubers is talking about this. So basically, back in 2000, we had a .com boom, right? So let me show you. Let me zoom out. So this is the NASDAQ, right? .com boom. I'm quite sure a lot of people are familiar with it. Everything anybody could actually put a .com in behind their business, and guess what? Automatically they started to receive millions of dollars from investors, and basically it was just, you know, a bubble going up. Everything was going up. Everybody was just buying, and a lot of these businesses basically didn't really have nothing going on. They wasn't really trying to serve the public. They really didn't have a decent business idea. It was just, okay, let me just see if I can, you know, get investors to invest in my project so I can make some quick cash. So basically, that went on for a while, and then next thing you know, 2000, you know, it crashed. So these guys, the .com bust, the boom, most of these guys just disappeared. And how they disappeared, and how they actually, in order to make these guys go away, the market had to go up. I mean, go down. So imagine if the market continued to go up, right? Those guys would basically still be in business right now. So in order to get these guys out of the market had to crash. And not only crash, it had to continue to go down lower. So when it went down, down this low, a lot of those guys went bankrupt and they had to get out. So only the strong survived. So eBay, Amazon, Yahoo, you know, those companies that basically had a decent business plan and a decent business model, those are the guys that pretty much survived. So this is what was going on in the coin market world. I mean, the crypto world. So we have a lot of people that just want to raise money so they can build quick money so they can just cash out, but they don't really have nothing going on. They don't have a good coin, a good business that can actually help people. So in order to squeeze these guys out, the market has to continue to go down, because if the market doesn't go down, these guys will survive. These guys will continue to survive. And if you notice how the government is cracking down and basically trying to regulate the market, in order to regulate the market the way they want to, a lot of these guys have to disappear. A lot of these guys have to disappear, because if they don't, then this market is going to be, you know, it's going to be the Wild Wild West, and big investors are not going to have the confidence to come in. So that's why when the market goes down, that's how you can actually kill these guys. So let's go back to the chat, because I know a lot of stuff is going on. I probably can't even answer all these questions today. So let me see. In my opinion, dead count bounce. What's going on, Jamie? Rims, nope. Been subscribed since January. Thanks a lot, Realms. Wolf said, I have enjoyed your channel, Ben. Watch all your videos. Thank you very much for your very good advice. No, thank you for coming in and supporting the channel. I appreciate it. So Ashwin said, yeah, was looking at CL today. Ashwin, that's what I trade. I trade the crude oil. I trade CL during the day. So Ashwin, do you day trade too? You day trade the futures market? Okay, so Dom said, Big Connect, what's wrong with these people? Okay, so let me see what's going on. One day I'm hoping I can quit my modern day slavery job, do this full time. Yes, Ashwin, it's possible. Trust me, it's possible. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it. So Melwax said XRP is a 2 to 3 year hold. Yeah, you can hold it, no problem. XRP trending downward. Yup, Leslie. What's going on, Leslie? Yeah, all these coins are trending down, man. You know, what you see right here is basically it's a little pop. You know, just a pullback. That's all. And they probably going to we're probably ain't gonna see no good action in probably until another week or so. So they're gonna probably drag this out, you know. So I don't know, unless because somebody said Wednesday they might pull this thing back, but I don't know. We'll see. They might try to drag this thing out, trying to, you know, give people hope, and then, you know, then continue to go down. But like I said before, in order for this to be a bull market, we have to have a lot of volume. We have to have higher highs, and we can't continue to try to go up and then next thing you know, it's reverse. I mean, it's just, you can't have that. And it's not real. This is not real buyers right here. The volume is so low, man. Guys, the volume is so low. I mean, let's go back to the volume. 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 days in a row, 3 billion. That's just disgusting. Let's go back to the chat. And guys, I appreciate everybody that's in the chat. I appreciate everybody that supports the channel. I appreciate all my subscribers. And, you know, I like doing this live because it's, you know, the investing world is very, it's a lonely job, or not even a job, but it's a lonely career. So, you know, these live chats definitely gives me something to do. Let me see. Crypto Inspo, what's going on, man? He said, "Are we still live? What's going on? What's going on, Crypto Inspo?" That's my man right there. Sandy's in the building. TK, what's going on? So TK said, "Hey Ben, I bought your program last week and I made $250 so far. Thank you for what you do." See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Guys that bought my course are basically taking action, studying the charts, and making money. Because I've been doing this for 10 years plus. And this is all I do. I study the charts. Most YouTubers, all they do is go to the news, right? They go to the news, read the news. Anybody can read the news. A 10-year-old can read the news. My channel is not about that. My channel is how can I make money? You know? And the way you can make money is by reading the charts. So if you are new to my channel or you just came in, I have this discount going on. So just check it. If you want to take advantage of it, go ahead. It's the same patterns that I used to make 15 grand last week. So if you want to check that out, 50% off, only on live stream. So I'll post a link in the description. So let's get back to the chat room. So Javi said it's a bull trap, will continue to go down. I think so too, Javi. I think it's a bull trap. Because you have to understand, you know, the bears love to trap people, right? Same way they trap these guys that bought right here. Because you have to understand, a lot of people bought Bitcoin when it passed 10,000. When we had this big run up and it passed 10,000, a lot of people bought Bitcoin as soon as it went 10,000. If you notice that we went down and we never went back to the 10,000 mark. So the people that bought 10,000 back in, what is this, February, they are sweating right now. They are sweating. So they are hoping that this thing can actually go up so they can at least break even or hopefully make some profits. So a lot of the guys that bought it at 10,000 right there, they probably bought this bottom right here, hoping that this thing can go up. But in my opinion, I believe that the bears are trapping these guys. So I think the bears are giving these guys false hope right now. And, you know, most likely we will continue to go down. We have resistance right here. We have resistance right here. So we'll see. We'll see what's going we'll see what's going in, what's going to happen next. So let's go to the chat room. G Slick said, "I'm late, damn it." You said you just dished work. Oh man, G Slick, what's going on, G Slick? Javi said, "There's no volume." Of course, that's exactly what I said, Javi. No volume. You know, so we got 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, and I told you that in January. Let me actually go back to January, year to date. Let's go all the way back to January. We had 10 billion, 16 billion, 21, 23 billion, 18, 15, 18 billion, and now we got 3. So to me, that's telling me that there's no real buyers in the market. You know. So we'll see. But overall, it is a bear market. I'm still, you know, I will continue to say that until we start to make higher highs. We are still below this moving average. We are making lower lows. There's nothing bullish about this. Nothing. So me personally, I don't get hyped when I see green bars. I know a lot of people do get hyped. I saw a lot of YouTube videos today talking about, yeah, I told you so. I told you it's going to reverse. You know, I mean, I guess. So let's go back to the chat room. Dom said, I will get your course this week, bro. 100%. Thanks a lot, Dom. So Dom says, speaking of ICOs, 4 new is actually good projects. But Dom, even if it's good projects, how can you? I don't know, man. This bear market right now is scary. So let me see. Hopefully, Tron isn't a S coin actually succeeds. Yeah, when the market continue to go up, Ashwin. So Art said, I believe Bitcoin is on its way up. It take a dip to make a gain. So Art, you believe Bitcoin is on its way up? You talking about right now, Art? So Neil, do you think BTC can break resistance line and pump up at a little on the forward chart? So if so, would you buy the market? No, Neil, I wouldn't buy this market. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. You know, 4-hour chart. It looks, it looks decent, but we still are in a downtrend. So I would never try to go against the trend. That's not my style. My style is never I would never go against the trend. So if you look at this, basically this is a little flag situation. Let me see if I can draw that again. And let me copy this, clone this, see if I can put this up top. So you notice that this is a flag right here. You notice that when it hit the top of the channel, reacted to it. So this thing can actually roll over and continue to go back down. It don't have to go up. It looks like it's trying to go up. It could go up, but it don't have to go up. So you said if it passed the trend line, can it be bullish? No, because first of all, even if it passed, let's say it passed this resistance and the trend line resistance, it's so much resistance on the top. We have to continue to make new highs and then eventually go to the 10,000 mark, which the 10,000 mark always going to have resistance. Every time we get to the 10,000 mark, you see the market struggles, right? So right here, when we passed the 10,000 mark, we went to like 11,000. The market struggled a little bit, and then it finally rolled over. And then we tried to go to the 10,000 mark right here, and then we couldn't, we didn't reach it, and then the market went down. So even if we do go up, which I really can't see the market going up now back to 10,000. But let's say, just for fun, let's say that it does go up to 10,000. There's a lot of resistance there. So we have to continue to make higher highs. To me, the volume has to increase. It's just very hard to believe that the market will reverse with this amount of volume. It's just hard to believe. Because it's just saying that, you know, if the buyers really wanted to buy this thing up, you would see more volume than this. That's what it tells me. So let's go back to the chat, see what these guys are talking about. And shout out to all the people that can't make the chat. I mean, can't make the live, and they actually watch the replay. Shout out to these guys, because, you know, sometimes you can't make the chat because you live in a different time zone. So I do appreciate you guys that watch the stream later, you know, during the day. So let's check out. So Javi said, no way, it would take months. And I agree with you, Javi. See, a lot of people think that the market is just going to reverse and that's it. Like, it doesn't work like that. And right now, this opportunity right now is too obvious. And if you know anything about the market, when it's too obvious, especially in the bear market, it's usually the opposite. So if it's too obvious, most likely it's not going to work, because you have to understand the market is designed to take your money. It's designed to take your money. It's not here to help you. The market doesn't care about you at all. So let's go back to the chat. So businessman said, I quit my job last year. So businessman, you quit your job last year. So what do you do right now, full time businessman? This is a good chat room today. A lot of questions going on. So Sandy said, sound like we need another bear year to weed out the flop coins. That's tough. Yeah, I know. It's tough, man. It's trust me. I mean, I understand a lot of people pain, but that's how it works. That's how the market works. You know, I mean, I didn't design the market, so, you know, don't blame it on me. I trust me. I wish things could go up forever. I wish. But unfortunately, things don't go up forever, and history does repeat itself. And right now, you have to understand crypto market is just an unregulated market. So since the government is stepping in, a lot of things are going to change, and they need to get these guys out of here. That's why you're seeing a lot of stuff coming out now, and I believe more stuff is going to come out in the public, and it's probably going to shake up the market. So let's go back to the comments. So Javi said the elites are getting their positions, kind of Games of Thrones, to get in. Now they are just holding this bearish market. Yep, the elites always playing games. Robert said, just quit my job. May have been premature though. Okay, so Robert, you quit your job. Please let me know, what are you doing right now, like full time? And businessman, what are you doing full time too? So you said you quit your job. There's not enough volume even to get a woman pregnant. Yo, Dom, you crazy, Dom. Dom said there's not enough volume to even get a woman pregnant in this market. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. Let's see if I get a good laugh here. Let's see if I get a good laugh sound effect. I don't know if I can get one. Oh man, I'm trying to get a good laugh sound effect. That was funny, man. So let's go back to the chat. Sander, what's going on, Sander? Get the course before he raises the price to 400. So Crypto Inspo said, get the price before I raise this thing to 400 because a lot of my subscribers want me to raise this up. So, and I agree with them because it's worth 400. So I'm giving you guys a deal. So you know, like I said, it's up to you if you want to learn how to make money. Art said not a bullish. Not a bull. You said so. Art said, not a bull trap. Why Art? Why do you think it's not a bull trap? Art. So Art is saying that this is not a bull trap. Please let us know, Art. Why do you think the market will continue to go up? So let me see. Crypto Inspo said he made $400 last night because of Ben's technique. See, guys, this is what I'm talking about. And I go live pretty much. Well, this is probably my ninth time going live. And I've been promoting this course maybe for a week. This is a brand new course, guys. This is a brand new course on the market. And since I released this course, I've been getting a lot of good reviews and people telling me that they're getting results from this course. Crypto Inspo said he made $400 just because of my techniques in this course. So I told you guys I have 10 years of experience. This is what I do. I read the charts. I do this full time. I'm not a YouTuber that basically make money from views. If you look at my views, I don't get a lot of views. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I do this full time. So if you want to take advantage of this course, take advantage now. And it will show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. So if you are depressed right now because the market is going down, you don't have to be depressed no more because you can actually make money now. And this is why I tell my subscribers, stop being depressed. You can make money right now. This is how I made 15 grand last week. By shorting the market, you can make money now by knowing how to read the charts. So let's go back to the chat room. EOS, yes, you can sell. We mean sell. GG, you talking about short? EOS? Glenn, what's going on, Glenn? Maybelline, nothing. You be up in your feelings, huh? Maybelline, who you talking about? Who's up in their feelings? Don't worry, you'll be fine. Maybelline, can you tell us? Okay, so after that, back to 10K. So I mean, it's a lot of comments, guys. I'm trying to. So businessman, so businessman is trading and investing full time. That's what's up. So businessman, what are you trading full time, businessman? Are you trading the crypto market full time, or you doing like Forex? What are you doing? Oh, so you trade full time. Oh, that's what's up, businessman. I definitely I like that. And who else said they quit their job? Somebody else said they quit their job. Let me see who else. Robert, you said you quit your job last night. I mean probably this year. Tell me why you quit your job and what you do right now. What are you doing full time right now? I'm reading these comments right now. So Art said, I feel like 6,300 is Bitcoin's bottom. If the wrong percentage of people sell, we will break that number. We have to a new low to worry about. I feel safe where we are right now. So you feel safe. I understand. But so answer. I guess I'm trying to get a different answer. Why do you think it will continue to go up? So I'm reading these comments, guys. Just give me a second. So Ahmad said this couldn't look more like a trap. No way it will increase. Just what you said, Ben. They want to take your money. Yeah, that's what I believe, because we are in a bear trend, and basically, if you look at the volume, it's so low. So basically, I'm trying to give you, I want to give you guys maybe a good analogy or something. Let me see. Put it like this. If you really want something, you would put your all into it, right? And these big dogs, they have a lot of money. They have a lot of money. So if they really wanted to buy this market, they will put their all into it. And when I see the volume down to 3 billion, that's letting me know that they're not putting their all into the market. So, you know, just think about that. So Gigi said, I want to get rid of EOS. So in what way do you want to, do you want to sell all your EOS? That's what you're trying to say, Gigi? So Crypto Inspo says it's worth more than 400, Ben. Don't sell yourself short. He's talking about my course. He want me to raise the price on you guys. I know. Trust me. I know. He said thanks for making it affordable for the average Joe. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make this affordable for the average Joe. So, you know, if you want to take advantage of it, that's you. But I know at the end of this live stream, it's going to go up right back to 210, straight up. Like I said, this is the best of both worlds. So let's say that you're a bull and you want to learn how to make money in the bull market. This is it. I will show you. And if you want to do both ways, if you want to actually learn how to make money now in this bear market, I will show you too. So let's go back to these comments. So businessman, crypto market full time. That's what's up. So tell me, do you want to? If you want to, you don't have to. But if you want, do you want to let me know what exchange you trade on? What exchange did you use to trade crypto? Businessman. I bought the course last night, stayed up. So Andrew said, I bought the course last night and stayed up all night. A lot of good info I learned. Man, if I only had this sooner. Thanks a lot, Andrew. Andrew's a guy that bought my course. He took action, and he's enjoying the content so far. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Andrew said, show me how I was buying in the wrong times. I hear you, man. I hear you. Trust me, it's amazing how things are so, much easier when you can actually know how to read a chart. Guys, I mean, man, you could have made a killing in this bear market. I mean, in the bull market. The strategies I showed you in this course, oh my gosh, man. Like, you understand with Ethereum, and in this bull market with Ethereum, I was just racking up, and once you understand this thing, you can just keep on adding on to your position, and just continue to ride this thing up, man. It's just like, it's amazing. And same, you know, with the bear market, you can still make money too. And this is why it took me so long to actually learn how to read the charts. But once you learn how to read the charts, it's amazing. But it's not going to take you that long once you go through the course, because it took me long because I didn't really learn from somebody. You know, eventually I did, but I was trying to learn by myself. But once you learn from someone, it speeds up your success. And my course basically tells you everything step by step. That's why a lot of people are getting the results right now. Let's go back to the chat. So Gigi said, yes, I want to sell it all. So what's stopping you, Gigi? Why do you want to sell it all? I mean, what's stopping you for selling it all, Gigi? Gigi said, how much hours in my course? It's not that long, probably, I don't know, 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours. So what's stopping you to sell EOS, Gigi? Andrew said, definitely worth the money for sure. Thanks a lot, Andrew. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for everything. I do appreciate everybody that support the channel. You don't know, guys. It's just, you know, it means a lot. Because I can come on, you know, here and continue to give you guys 10 years of experience. So Ricky said, bottom not here yet. I agree, Ricky. You know, I agree. I agree. I believe, in my opinion, I believe that we will continue to go down. And like I said before, volume is low. Yes, we do have a green bar, of course. And it's funny because today I you know, on purpose, I scrolled through YouTube, see what these guys are saying. I see some videos. I told you so. You know, I told you the market was going to reverse. Oh man. They see one green bar, right? They see one green bar and they call that a reverse. I mean, at least can we go back to 9,000 or 10,000 before you call it a reverse? Okay, so let's see what's going on. Leslie said, yeah, I bought at the wrong times too. I know what you mean, Leslie, because when I first started out, man, please, I was buying at the wrong times too. Because what I noticed, a lot of people buy, you know, at the high. I guess it's fair to, you know, FOMO. But I like to buy in a pullback. And there's multiple ways you can add on to your position. You know. So let's go to the chat room, see what these guys are talking about. So Pat, I believe I'm saying your name right. Let me see. Pate said, awesome channel, keep up the good work, brother. Thanks a lot, Pate. I appreciate you watching. Pate, are you new to my channel? I never saw you in the chat room before, Pate. T-Loke says, guys, the course is a must-have. He said, but I feel like I'm still in it from with the discount. Oh man, thanks a lot, T-Loke. T-Loke, funny guy. Pate. So Pate, you new to the channel? Okay, thanks a lot for coming in. Are you familiar with making money when the market is going down, Pate? So Sean said, "Are you in the?" No, Sean. Sean, did you get my course yet, Sean? So Jay Garcia said, "Going through the course, good stuff, bro. One question: BitMEX states that it does not deposit from U.S. Is there VPN?" Well, like I said, I heard people that can use they use VPNs. I heard people use the Tor browser, but you don't have to use BitMEX. Jay Garcia, you can use JAFAX. Remember the other site I told you in the course, JAFAX.com. You can sign up, and if you are from the U.S., you can still sign up. So I'm sorry, Pate said he's not familiar with going short. So Pate, on my channel, I basically show my subscribers that there's multiple ways to make money. I've been doing this for 10 years, actually going on 11 years in August. And basically, I do this full time. So in order for me to make money and pay my bills, I have to go along with the major trend. And right now, the major trend is pretty much down. So the market's going down, and all I'm looking for is shorts. So last week I made 15 grand when the market went down, and basically that's what I'm teaching people how to do. You can actually make money now. You don't have to wait, because a lot of people don't understand that sometimes bear markets, they last a long time. They last a year or two, maybe 3 years. So you don't have to wait 2-3 years to make money. You can actually make money now while you are still holding your coins. So if Tate, let me see how you pronounce your name again. It was it. Trying to fit Pate. If you don't have my course right now, is on this live stream is 50% off. So if you want to check it out, that's on you. You know, I don't force nobody, but it's 50% off discount. The original price is $210. When this live stream is over, the price will go back up. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of it. But that's what we do on this channel. So Pate, I just put the link. That's if you want to check it out. You know. So crypto inspo, how do you withdraw? Just ask for a request. So copy that, bro. Approval from them. Oh, you waiting for approval? Okay. So yeah, the approval should be. My approval process was, I would say, less than 24 hours. So you should get approved almost right away. Pate said, "Thank you. I'll check it out right now." Thanks a lot, Pate. But yeah, Pate, you know, check out, you know, the channel. Make sure you subscribe. The group that I have here is a very good group. Hardly any trolls. I don't remember block. I probably blocked one person, but that was like long. I was like I don't know, last week. But overall, this group is pretty good. We have a lot of funny people here. Everybody's down to earth, and I like it like that. So you would definitely like this channel. You would definitely like this group. So thanks for coming in. Art says, "I think there's a delay with the chat." No, it's not. It's not really a delay, Art. It's just I have a lot of questions, and I'm scrolling back to look at the questions, and that's why it might seem like a delay. But I'm just scrolling back because I can't really answer all these questions at once. So I'm scrolling back, Art. So So I'm looking at this chat room real quick. So Gigi, what are you saying? You saying that your EOS is not on an exchange right now? Hey, what's going on, Lars? So, businessman, so okay, so you trade on Binance, businessman, and what time frame do you trade, businessman? You trade a 1 hour, you trade the 5 minute. So, if your EOS is not an exchange, then you have to exchange it for, you know, something. So you could exchange it for whatever coin you want to, Litecoin. Like you said, put it on Binance, exchange it for, you know, whatever you want to exchange it for, Litecoin, Ethereum, BTC, cash out, and do whatever you have to do. Thanks a lot, Crypto Inspo. But yeah, so let's wrap this thing up. I'm about to wrap this thing up. I don't know how long. I'll probably do this another 5 minutes. Let's I'm looking at the questions right now, going through the questions. But yes, guys, don't for all you guys that's bullish, because I know some of you guys just can't, you know, grasp the idea of just basically shorting the market. Some guys just can't, you know, they just don't get it right away. So the guys that just can't get it right away, don't think every green bar is a bullish sign. Take your time, you know, have patience. The market really have not given us any, you know, bullish signs yet. So be patient, because you will get trapped in the bear market. A lot of people is basically losing their money right now, because the market, if you notice, since February, the market really didn't go nowhere, you know. So we've been trapped into this little consolidation channel, whatever you want to call it, triangle. So you have to understand, a lot of people bought right here when it went back to 10,000. They lost a lot of money. I'm quite sure they bought it right here when they saw this bar right here. They lost some more money. They bought it when they saw this big bar right here and the market was going up. They got excited. And next thing you know, the market is going right back down. They was like, man. They said, okay, this has to be the triple bottom right here. So I'm going to buy right here. So they bought this and the market going down even more. So you have to be careful in a bear market, because if you're trying to buy every bottom, you can actually go broke doing that, because the market can actually continue to go down lower. So just be careful, guys. Just be careful out there. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful. So businessman said you traded 1 minute and a 5 minute usually. That's what's up, businessman. I'm happy for you. I'm glad that you are able to work for yourself. That's a beautiful feeling. You know, I would not like. It's just hard to explain the feeling of working for yourself. It's the best. So you say you don't know where your EOS is now? What do you mean by that? Guys, can you help Gigi out? Gigi said he don't know where his EOS is at right now. He said, where would it be? So guys, if you want to help him out, I don't know, because I can't really answer that question right now because I don't understand it. So Andrew said, after going over your course, I realized HODL should not be your only strategy. Jeez, I was closed-minded. Shout out to Andrew, man. Shout out to Andrew. Andrew, we all have been brainwashed, you know, so including me. Including me. I was never, you know, I wasn't always like this. Buy and hold is just one strategy. That's it. That's all it is. It's just one strategy. So you have to understand that there's multiple strategies. The rich stay rich because they apply multiple strategies, and the rich also have monthly income coming in. That's why they are really rich, because that monthly cash flow is where it's at. And this is where I wanted to change the guy's mind and basically show you that honestly, I don't care what you do. I don't care if it's crypto. I don't care if it's eBay. It don't have to be crypto. I don't care if it's crypto. I don't care if you sell things on eBay, sell things on Craigslist. I don't care if you open up a business, but you should be trying to increase your monthly income, because that's where that's the game. That's the game that the rich play. And this is why I try to show people that there's another way to make money in this market. That and the other way is basically short-term trading. It's not it's swing trading, so you'll hold for maybe two days. Some days you can hold for 1 day, but you know some trades are for a week. But that will help you build up your monthly income. And that's where the game is at. The game is actually short-term, monthly income. The buy and hold is just a bonus. It's just a bonus. You know, it's not really a game that the rich really relies on. They really rely on their monthly income. Like I said before, I think it was yesterday, I said Google makes 127 million dollars per day, and that's just you know with the ads, with the Google ads. So Google makes $127 million per day, and that's just the ads alone, right? And you have to understand, you times that by 30, and you have to understand that's how the rich, you know, get richer, because they rely on a monthly income, not really their long-term investments. A long-term investment is a bonus for them. It's not something they rely on. So let's go back to the chat. So Rip said, hey, I just got in. I've been thinking we are going to 5K. I have been waiting. What are your thoughts? Some people are saying we are looking bullish. So thanks a lot, Ripped. This is your first time here, Ripped. Rip, I think that the market is going to continue to go down, and 5K is I believe 5K is doable. Not only I believe 5K is doable, I believe 4K is doable. So yes, I do think that it's a strong possibility that we will continue to go down. And 5K, I believe, is doable. Ripped. So Rip, are you new to my channel? Because I know you said a lot of people are saying that we're bullish today. Exactly. And you have to understand my 80-20 rule, right? My 80-20 rule. I don't have it down here, but I can put it down here. You know, my 80-20 rule says that basically, let's put it 80-20. Let's put it down here. 80-20 rule. I talk about this all the time. on my channel, the 80-20 rule. So let's make this bigger. So my 80-20 rule, right, is basically the majority are losers, right? And a small percentage of the populations are winners. So I usually, when you hear most people saying something, most of the time they are wrong. So the majority, if you go on YouTube, majority people are saying, oh, we bullish. This bad boy is about the moon. We going to 10K. You know, everything is fine. But I'm more focused on this, the 20%. What are most people are not saying? And most people are not saying that, you know, we are not bullish. So the rich thinks the opposite. So that's just what I do. I try to think like the rich, and basically I don't really care what most people are saying, because most people are losers. Most people are lazy. Most people are late. Most people are followers. Most people just don't know what's going on. They just don't know. Most people are just basically brainwashed, and they are not willing to break out of that little, you know, spell, whatever. So it is what it is. Okay, so crypto inspo said it's probably an open order. So thanks a lot, guys, for helping Gigi out, because Gigi said he don't know where his EOS is at. So some of you guys is helping him out. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. I'm reading his comments, guys, so. So Laura said, "Are you on Telegram?" No, I'm not. I'm not. What? Can you please, guys? Can you tell me what was the was? Because I'm not really big on social media like that. So what's the benefit if I have a Telegram? Like what are the benefits? Let me see. So Gigi said, "Thank you very much." So Rip said, "I watched some of your videos. I just subscribed and I like. Thanks, man. You are a straight shooter. I appreciate that." No, I appreciate you, man. Rory said, "First time here from Australia. How you doing, Rory? I'm glad to see you here, Rory. I believe I'm saying your name right. Rory Molly, I believe. So thanks a lot for coming in. And if guys, if you are new to the stream, I'm having this discount. Check it out. It will show you how to make money now in the market, and it will show you how to make money when the market turns bullish too. 50% discount. When a live stream ends, it will go right back up. Don't believe me? Check it out. An hour from now. So I'm about to get off soon. I definitely enjoy this live chat room. I just paste the link in the chat. So Massimo, what's going on? He said, "I'm super late. How you doing?" I'm doing pretty good. I'm just enjoying, you know, the YouTubers saying that this is a bullish pop. Yes, we might pop up. We might go to 7,000. Shoot. Will it go to 8,000? I don't know. I mean, it's hard to see this thing go to 8,000. It's a lot of resistance right here. But even if it goes, let's say even if it goes to 8,000, that doesn't really mean anything. Because if you notice, look at these pullbacks right here. A lot of times we had some deep pullbacks, right? We had a deep pullback here, and the market went back down. We had a deep pullback here. The market went back down. So sometimes we do have these deep pullbacks, but it doesn't really mean anything if there's no buying behind it. And I showed you guys already that the volume is so low. But I'm about to get off this chat because I'm making it too long for the people that want to watch it on replay. Javed said, yeah, new bull run would be the biggest ever. You're welcome, GG. Dominic says, just got here. Do you say 3K or 10K? I say 3K first. That's just my opinion, though, you know, because Dominic, I don't believe this is a bullish pop. I believe that this is you know, just the market pulling back, because the market, that's what the market does, right? The market never goes down in a straight line, so it's just, that's what it is. The volume is so low, so yeah, I don't think we're going to 10K right now. I don't see a reason to go to 10K right now. So I think we might pop up a little bit, maybe a little bit more, maybe to 7,000, maybe. And you know, they're going to try to hold. They're probably going to try to hold this market for the whole week. You know, and then we might have some selling next week. Someone said that they think on Wednesday we might start to sell off, so we'll see. That's a possibility too. But we'll see. So guys, I'm about to get out of here. So Massimo says it's a trap like the other times. Exactly, Massimo. These other times, a lot of people saying this is the bottom, right? And we fell right back down. This was the bottom right here, fell down. This was the bottom right here, we fell right back down. So how many times are you going to get, you know, get hurt? Fool me once, fool me twice, you know. 3 times, shame on you. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Buddy said just caught you at the end, but good to see you again. Planning on your live streams every day now. I don't know. For now is I'm looking to do it, you know, I don't know if it's every day, but I'm looking to do it, you know, for the most part every week. Because I like this group that we have. It's not really no trolls in the chat room. Some down to earth people. So I like this. Censorship. I hear you, Expose. I hear you. I don't know. I might, because a lot of people ask me about Twitter, Telegram. I don't know. I just have to be motivated to do that stuff. It's very hard to, you know, get me motivated because I'm not really a YouTuber like that. You know, most of these YouTubers, they do this full time. So I understand why they would have it. Anyway, guys, 3.5 first. So Crypto Inspo said 3.5 first. I definitely agree with you, Crypto Inspo. So guys, thank you for your time. So Massimo said I got hurt a lot, but not anymore. That's how you do it, Massimo. You know, you never stay in a relationship that's going, if a person is going to continue to hurt you over and over again, and they tell you, listen, I'm sorry, this next time it would be, you know, different this time. Most of the times, 9 out of 10 it's not going to be different. You know, they're going to continue to hurt you. Same thing like this. The Bears is ruthless. They don't care about you, so they will continue to play with your emotions, make it feel like, you know, we're going up. And, you know, it's up to you if you want to continue to get hurt. But believe it or not, guys, the market going down is a good thing because, you know, like I said before, you can actually make money while the market's going down. Plus, when we do hit a bottom, prices are cheap. So you have to look at it, you know, in a different way. So guys, thank you for your time. If you don't have my course, check it out. 50% discount. When I get off an hour from now, right back to the original price. Hopefully I see you guys maybe tomorrow. And I definitely appreciate all you guys. I appreciate the group. This group so far is pretty good, man. I like this group. I think, you know, if I get more subscribers, you might see some trolls, but so far so good. Big Ben, I have been brainwashed myself. With your course, it's the bomb. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, Brian, for supporting this course. I mean, this channel. Brian said he'd been brainwashed, and with my course, he said it's the bomb. So basically, in my course, I tell you, you know, straight up, we all been brainwashed. You had to reprogram, just like 45. What's going on, 45? 45 just said you have to reprogram your brain. That exactly, you have to, because if you don't reprogram your brain, the information that you have right now, it's going to be like almost impossible to take things to the next level. Because the information that you have right now, guess what? Society gave you that information. Who controls society? The rich. The rich doesn't want to see you make money. Because the reason why the rich doesn't want to see you make money is because they make money off of you. So when you go to your 9 to 5 every single day, they are making money, you know, from you. So they want you to stay at a certain level. That's why school doesn't teach you to... School don't show you how to become rich, and basically the rich want you to stay at a certain level, and the rich always want to try to take money out of your pocket. Just like right now, the bear market, they trying to take money out of your pocket. So in order to go to the next level, you have to reprogram yourself, and you have to take away those information, because if you still have that same information that society gave you, it's almost going to be impossible for you to go to the next level. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for coming with me on a live stream. Thank you for Lars says, love your course. It taught me a lot. Thanks a lot, Lars. Thank you all for supporting this channel. Hopefully I see you guys tomorrow. I might do an early stream tomorrow. I might do, I don't know, I might see if I could do 2 streams tomorrow. Maybe like a early, like a 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then do a later one. We'll see, because some people said they can like never watch my stream because the hours is different. But we'll see. But guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Crispo said, listen to your course every day. Some days I think I hear your voice more than my girlfriend. Crypto Inspo is crazy, man. Crypto Inspo is a funny guy, man. So yes. So Tech says, got it, Ben. Thanks. Thank you, Tech. Thank you, Tech RD. Thank you for your support. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I see, you know, all you guys that's on this chat right now. Hope I see you guys tomorrow. Because like I said, this is definitely a good group. I definitely like this group. You guys are mature, down to earth, and you know. So Dominique says, "Are you short?" I'm not short right now, Dominique. But I'm definitely gonna look for shorts. So guys, thank you for your time, and see you tomorrow. And just make sure you hit the bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you won't get notified. So make sure you hit the bell. And so when I go live, you know when I'm going live. So talk to you guys later, and make sure you have a good night. And make sure you study the charts, so you can make this money. So talk to you guys later, and have a good night.